Hello, mathematicians. Welcome back to Number Corner. For Number Corner today, we will work on our computational fluency. Today, we are going to complete a Scout Them Out page in our Number Corner books. You will need your Number Corner book opened to page 82 and a pencil. You can pause the video now to get what you need. Before we jump into page 82 for our Scout Them Out page today, you need to look at your past quick facts routine to see if you've mastered your facts. If you are working on a new one, if you did one of our challenge pages last time, you will just solve all of the facts on this Scout Them Out page. If you mastered a new fact, remember to fill it in on page 60 in your Number Corner book, Addition Table for Fact Mastery. Our goal is to get all of our facts mastered, so your whole table should be filled in. At some point, you might not be there yet, and that's okay. Let's have a look at the Scout Them Out page for today. Remember, this is a page that you work on from your Number Corner book. And then you take a picture and put the whole completed page with every problem solved and all 4 subtraction equations at the bottom written right here. If you do not have your Number Corner book, well, that's when you can use page 2 in this activity. Remember, you need to follow all of the steps on this page. Number 1 says if you demonstrated fluency on 2 categories of facts and leftovers, complete all the facts on this page. That includes friends who are working on those challenge activities too. Complete all these facts. If you are working on a single category or 2 categories of facts, meaning you have a few you haven't mastered yet, circle the strategy or strategies you'd like to practice today. You can practice your count on facts, your make 10 facts, your doubles facts, doubles plus or minus 1, add 9, add 10, or leftover facts. I'll challenge you to search those out on your own, find some examples of those facts, and then circle the ones you need. After that, you should solve all of the facts that you've circled. And then, don't forget this step, it's an important one. Then, you need to solve the rest of the facts on the page. It says here if you have time, but I think we have time to do some hard work in math. So make sure you solve all of these addition facts. Don't forget number 5 on the bottom, where it says use the facts that you circled to write 4 different subtraction problems below, and then find the difference. Now that you know what to do, mathematicians, it's time to get to work. Work on this page, show your teacher, and I'll see you next time for Number Corner.